Hey there fellow gamers, podcasters and streamers. Are you tired of using low quality microphones for your recordings? Look no further because today I'm going to review the t.bone PS100 microphone from Thomann. First of all, the sound quality is amazing, especially for the price point. I was really impressed with the clarity and vocal depth of my recordings. Let's hear an example. Hey there fellow gamers, podcasters and streamers. Are you tired of using low quality microphones for your recordings? Hey there fellow gamers, podcasters and streamers. Are you tired of using low quality microphones for your recordings? You can also change its polar pattern, which means that you are able to switch from which direction the PS100 picks up sound. That makes it perfect for all kinds of things like gaming, podcasting and streaming. And you also don't have to worry about unwanted background noise, at least when you're changing the polar pattern to one side. Plus, it's a plug-and-play microphone with USB-C, so you can start using it right away without any complicated setup. And just look at that stand. That's almost a full broadcasting station in there. Okay, not entirely, but you can hook up headphones or even an instrument with one of the 3 jacks provided here. Control the volume of the connected devices and see their level with those LEDs. Also, the soundcard can sample up to a quality of 96 kHz and 24-bit. That is pretty impressive, especially for a budget microphone. If you're a pro gamer or an aspiring podcaster and want even better sound quality from your PS100, you can also use a mic screen or sound absorbers on your walls. Thomann was nice enough to give us a whole set for our new studio here. Let's hear the difference between the mic with and without a mic screen for ourselves.
Mic check, without a mic screen. Mic check, with a mic screen.
That is a huge difference if you ask me. Almost like having your own little recording booth sitting on your desk. And yet an easy and affordable solution. That's pretty nice. If you want to improve the sound of your microphone and also your speakers even further, I would also take a look at your room. Yes, your room. Because it's usually the culprit for bad sound. In most rooms with flat walls, sound bounces around in unforeseen ways and distorts. To counteract that, you can go with acoustic absorbers like those ones, or a bit fancier, these ones with a wooden finish. But let's be honest, that's only necessary for the serious audio nerds out there. Overall, I highly recommend the t.bone PS100 microphone. It's easy to use, sounds great and won't break the bank. Plus, it looks pretty cool too if you ask me. And if you're in need of further sound upgrades, you can always get a mic screen. Like and subscribe to our channel and be sure to check out the links in the description. See you soon and have a good one.